Hey guys, so in my last video I showed you a quick tip on how to fix video flicker, but we all know it's better to avoid flicker in the first place. So in this video we're going to take a scene like this and film it like this. Stay tuned. So this type of flicker is caused by pulsing lights such as LED or fluorescent bulbs being out of sync with either your frame rate and or your shutter speed. This usually crops up when filming at a higher FPS, such as at or above 120. And the solution is pretty simple. You need to adjust your shutter speed and sometimes your frame rate until each frame is receiving the same amount of light. Here's what I mean. For this shot, I was filming at 180 FPS with a shutter speed of 200. And I tried a bunch of different shutter speeds, but at 180 FPS, none of the shutter speeds that I tried actually worked. So I changed the frame rate to 120 FPS instead of 180, and then I changed the shutter speed down to 125, the slowest I could go at the frame rate that I was going at, and that did it. It's really simple. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.